Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Gaia in Age of Mythology using an easy method. To begin, prioritize your economy. Immediately train a second villager and send them to gather food. Your first villager should start collecting wood. This early focus on resources allows you to advance through the ages much faster. Remember to use Gaia's unique lush ability to protect your buildings and gather points from early enemy raids. Once your economy is stable, aim to advance to the classical age within 4 minutes. When you reach this age, select Freya as your minor god. Her Valkyries are excellent for early defense and raiding, and her healing ability keeps your units alive. Construct a temple and train 2 or 3 myth units to bolster your defenses. Don't forget to research essential economic upgrades at your market and storehouse to boost resource collection. As you move into the mid-game, focus on expanding your territory. Build additional town centers to continuously produce more villagers, ensuring a strong economy. Establish military academies and archery ranges to train a diverse army. A good composition includes a mix of infantry, archers, and a few siege units to break through enemy defenses. When ready for an attack, utilize Gaia's Forest Fire God power to clear enemy structures or block their retreat. In the late game, ensure all your economic and military upgrades are fully researched. Keep your opponent on the defensive by continuously raiding their resource gatherers and unprotected buildings. To achieve victory, you can either construct a wonder and defend it for 10 minutes, or capture and hold all settlement locations on the map. Always adapt your army composition to counter your opponent's units for maximum effectiveness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.